Well, we're ready for another episode of At Home with Puppy and Snail. Let's see what they're up to today.
This is my favorite time of the year. It's Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and look what all of the Stevenson kids did, thanking the first responders and military workers by sending them pictures and letters.
Yeah, they're awesome, and I counted them. There's 173.
Wow, Puppy, that's some great counting.
Thank you, Snail.
Let's talk a little more about Thanksgiving and have a look at the turkeys.
Turkeys? I love turkey. Or our clay turkeys.
They were really fun to make.
Yep, they were really fun to make.
What happened to yours, Puppy?
What do you mean?
Well, it looks like a huge ball with feathers.
Isn't that what turkeys look like? Like a huge, delicious butterfall.
Well, good try, Puppy. That turkey has a lot of personality.
Thank you, Snail.
Well, enough of that talk. Now let's start talking about Thanksgiving.
My favorite part about Thanksgiving is the turkey. But then there's the mashed potatoes, the mac and cheese, the stuffing, the green beans, and the cranberry sauce, pumpkin pie, and apple pie.
But Puppy, all that stuff is great, but that's not the true reason why we do Thanksgiving.
What? I thought that Thanksgiving was all about the food.
Well, the food is a big part of it, but, well, Puppy, Thanksgiving is about gratitude and giving thanks.
Yes, giving thanks for the food that we're about to eat.
Well, sort of. Well, Thanksgiving is a national holiday, and it celebrates people giving thanks and celebrating their friendship, because long ago, when the Pilgrims came to North America, they made friends with the natives, and they had a big feast.
It wasn't exactly a friendship at first.
Yeah, when the Pilgrims first came to North America, they claimed the land as theirs, and the Native Americans didn't like that, so they fought over the land until they settled an agreement.
And came together with a feast.
To celebrate a big harvest.
So, Thanksgiving is about giving thanks and friendship,
Exactly.
and, the feast too.
Okay, Puppy, a little bit of the feast, but mostly friendship and being thankful for having each other.
I like that part. Thankful for each other. I'm thankful for you, Snail.
And I'm thankful for you, Puppy, and all the kids at Stevenson.
Have a happy Thanksgiving.